So traders, I'm back trading the breakout strategy, and we are in November. Last few months were not great. If I show you the stats here, you can see we had 3 losing months in a row and 1 hefty losing month. So we're back trading November to try and rectify the losses. We're trying to make them back. But in all seriousness, we are still getting towards our 12-month minimum testing period before we can see if the strategy is good enough to trade. So we are looking here to see if we get a breakout, and technically that did breakout. And hopefully November can provide us with some good trading. You know, I don't want to say this month's going to be a good one, because it might not be. And you know, we've started on a losing trade, so that's always great. But it's fine. It's fine. And we are going to take this trade no matter what we think about the setup. Just because, you know, testing is not always perfect. And the reason testing is not always perfect is because you can't find out if something's good or bad if you haven't tested it, basically. So to find out if a strategy is good, you have to test it. To find out if a strategy is bad, you have to test it. So I don't care if I win or lose in testing over the next 12 months of data, because then it will give me data to improve the strategy, basically. And when we have data to improve a strategy, we can obviously make it profitable, or make it more profitable, reduce the drawdown periods, make the winners better. You know, various different things we can actually do. Oh, I did want to see that happen after that. Interesting. This one's actually a continuation one, which is nice. Alright, let's put a stop loss there. As you know, we are using 1 to 2 on every single trade. The reason behind that is it makes it super simple. It's a good risk to reward. It's a good risk to reward if you are winning trades, that is. If you're losing, obviously it doesn't matter what risk to reward you are actually using. Okay, 1 to 2. And obviously I could sit here and just pick good months to show you, and that would be very pointless, because then it wouldn't give you a realistic expectation of what backtesting is actually like. I'm here to show you the good months and the bad months. And you can laugh at the bad months, or you can learn from them. That's kind of the way I see it. If I can show you how to create a strategy, then that is mission complete. But the trades that used to work perfectly are now struggling to work. That's probably an easy way to put it. There's been a lot of consolidation, which, as you see, is not working well for the strategy. When price is breaking out, we seem to then just go straight back into the range again. And obviously when price goes straight back into the range, we are then getting stopped out because of the way we use our stop losses for this strategy. So you see prices breaking out and then going straight back into the range, and then breaking out, straight back into the range, breaking out. You could say, oh, you're trading it wrong, but you know, it's been working in the past, so a lot of news here. We're already halfway through the month. You know, the video, they are getting shorter, like I mentioned in the previous video, because we are seeing, you know, which setups to take, which setups not to take, and it is giving us some valuable data. Okay, a winner. It's always good to have a winning trade. This one's another buy. See if we can keep up this momentum. Maybe a few wins in a row. That would be great for the results. The last couple of months, it's just been go into profit, retest to stop loss. That's basically summed it up. But it's fine. We keep going. Keep trading. That first candle did scare me a little bit, I'm not going to lie. I was preparing for the worst. long position here. TP. See, every candle seems to go into loss, which is not great. Is there anything we can avoid? Not really, not yet. Okay, we can buy here. And the beauty of this strategy really is how simple it is. I don't have to have any indicators. I don't have to do any top-down analysis. I don't have to compare different pairs. I don't have to do anything really. It's just I can look at price action. Is there going to be a trade? And then I enter. Literally that simple. Like here, I look, wait a few candles, and look for a trade. Because it's on the 5-minute time frame, you know, this trade here would be 20 minutes into the session. So I would have been on the charts 20 minutes, and then I would have entered, and then I would have lost. And that sums it up. I think this will probably, maybe be another losing month, which isn't great, unless we get some beautiful winners to end it. Okay. Thing is, we got to accept it. It obviously hit the stop loss to the pip and then hit take profit, but you know, that's going to happen. EU obviously has zero spread, but that's still going to happen, especially as it was like, maybe I was too accurate. Okay, we have a sell. Let's get some nice momentum here. Come on, TP. Come on. We've got this. We don't have this. Is it going to do the same again? No. It's probably more painful hitting stop loss than the trade goes take profit than just a straight up, 20-second loss. I'd rather the quick loss than teasing, price teasing you about going to take profit. Okay, TP hit. Let's go. Another TP. Come on. Oh, we're in December. We're in December. So we ended January. And if I quickly export that data for you guys and import it into Edgewonk. I don't want to obviously show you all my files. So we can import it here and wait to see the damage. I'm only playing, but it will give us the data for that month. The stats are probably going to get worse because I think it was a losing month. Yeah. Again, we're going to the downside. We're trending to the downside. If this was the market, you would say it's in a downtrend and you'd want to sell basically. We're retesting the resistance zone here. If we go on monthly reports, you can see we only lost 0.75%, and FX Replay will probably say the same. But we lost, so that's all that really matters. So if you say, oh, we lost 0.75%, we had obviously 16 trades. Each of those trades is going to have commission. So you've got to think, okay, 16 trades commission, how much am I spending on commission per trade? We actually would have lost a lot more. That's what you have to also take into consideration when you are trading like this. So 4 losing months in a row, it is not that good. We obviously had this 1 month that has wiped out all these losses anyway. This 1 month, I think it was this period here where we had a really good streak, and now we are in a really bad streak. I don't want a strategy that's doing this, where I'm having big swings in P&L, especially as my max drawdown is quite high now. If we look back here, max drawdown 14% to only return 11% is terrible. Some people say it's good, but I don't think it's that good at all. So, like I said previously, we're going to keep trading it. We're going to not change anything yet. We could have some redemption months. December, January, February could give us redemption, and we could get back on track. I doubt it, but it will be good to see the data, and we will have 200 plus trades, I think. Maybe like 180, 190 trades, which will give us, some good data to go off basically. So I'll catch you guys next week.